The little one is getting much healthier. She's getting bigger. She's acting like a kitten now. Is you pretty? When I first come into the room, like when we're out, we went shopping, they get very excitable. She's got food all over her nose. Monster? Okay, fine. Hi. Gremlin likes to climb up in my face and on my shoulder. The other day, she actually perched in the top of my head, on the top of my head. Look, Gremlin, say hi. And the cat goes, meow. Yeah. She's a good girl, she's learning. And her meow sounds much healthier than it was this last few days. Come here, Eric, come here. Monster. It's that little monster. Ever complacent. Oh, you want to play now. This one's feisty. She does bite sometimes. Especially when she wants something. She ninja cheese off me earlier, which means she's definitely gotten an appetite now. Ow, stop biting me. I actually have thoughts that perhaps she's still teething. That's why she's so grumpy and bitey sometimes. What do you think you're gonna get from me, little missy? She's in bitey mode. You gonna bite my finger again? No, you don't get to sit on the computer. So cute you guys are. Yes, you are. I love kittens. They're so cute. Ow! That's biting. Hello. Hey, you be nice. She really is a sweetheart. She's usually really lovable and hangs out with me. But when she's usually really lovable. Just she gets her moods or she gets all, bitey and whiny. Meow. She ninja cheese off me, and that's probably why she's biting me. She probably wants more. But you're not gonna have cheese. That's not in your diet, Missy. Hey, you. Don't you chew on that. And Gremlin likes to play, not Gremlin, Monster, the bigger one, likes to play all the time, which is absolutely adorable. And she jumps a lot, which makes things even more interesting. Don't you? Yes, you do. And here comes Cranky again. She's still mad. She wants more cheese. She's not going to get any. No, you're not. Their food is in the closet. And so is their water, which they're just barely really drinking. They still haven't quite figured out how to drink very well. Ow. Ow. She's actually not biting that hard. She usually does, but she isn't right now. The other kitten bites softly when she plays, and I think she's starting to learn that. This one's starting to learn that from her sister. Vicious. Look at that. She's so vicious sometimes. Look at that. Look at that over there. She's just chewing on my finger. She actually is purring. I wish you could hear that, but I don't think you can hear that with the mic. She is purring. She is lovable. She's not feral. She's just cranky. And she likes to play rough. And she's teething, I think. So, I think I've said that a few times. Monster, come here. Monster, come here. Let's see what he's doing. I gotta move all these plugs out of the way. Usually I move it out of the way before they're out and about. Aw, little kitty. Today her fur looks a little oily. I don't know, I think maybe it's the food. I'm eating soft food right now. Why are you coming over here? Bite me again? Here, why don't you beat your sister? Get her! Anyway, that's it for today. And I have my new glasses.